Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ito po si Benji Chidoro at welcome po sa August 4 edition ng The Stock Market Today. 143 days na lang, Pasko na. Meron tayong special picture tungkol po sa ASEN, Metrobank at TEL. Pero tingnan po muna natin ang ating mga headlines. Galing po ito ng BDO Securities. ASEN profit surge 93.8% in the first half of 23. TEL core earnings up 2.6% in the first half. San Miguel Food and Beverage post flat 18.8 billion income in the first half. And nickel registers weaker profits on lower nickel prices. And then we also have this, peso weakens further on strong US labor data. So, kanina po, nagpapalit po ako ng dollars to pesos or bumili po ako ng dollars. Taas, 55.80 plus something. Kasi last week, it was just 54 eh. So, tumaas po ng piso. Anyway, yan po yung result ng weakening ng peso. Yung magandang US labor data, tumaas yung payroll po nila. Kaya po, ang dollar, papunta po ng US, may outflow po sa atin. And then, let's now go to our main feature. Ito po yung, una po sa ASEN, keep buy on pipeline strength. So, long-term growth story remains intact. Profit surged 93.8% in the first half. And it is within the forecast of BDO Sec. Expanded capacity raises output. Supply gap in Philippines resulting to price discovery. Strong growth outlook despite cuts. So, ang target price po niya is 7 and this was reduced from 7.90 with a closing price of 5.30 or an upside of 32.1%. Susunod naman si Metrobank, sustaining earnings momentum, margins widen further with rising loan yields. So the second half and first half 23 net income is up 37% and 34% ahead of estimates. Commercial lending slowed but consumer segment growth accelerated. Management outlook remains positive for 2023. Action valuation target price raised to 81 keep buy rating. So from 77, nag-increase po siya to 81 pesos with a closing price yesterday of 58.60. Ang upside po niya is a 38.2% upside. Finally, we have TEL. There's a keep buy rating on healthy earnings, home and enterprise driving growth. First half results tracking expectations. Home and enterprise trend sustains, mobile trends improving. Reaffirm buy with a target price of 1,665. So pareho lang po ng previous target price with a closing price of 13.10. There is an implied upside of 26.3%. So let's now take a look at the index. Meron pong red engulfing candlestick po ngayon. And it's down 129.92 points or 1.91% in the red. Nasa 6450.84. Now, ito po, hindi ko po malaman kung bakit nangyayari ito. At wala po akong makitang news except this, Ito po yung pag-weaken ng peso. So, tingin po yan po yung nagkokose. Yung strong US market on labor is pulling out our dollars. So, yung mga foreign funds ay nagwi-withdraw from sa atin. So, yung hot money lumalabas po. So, yung net foreign selling po is 245.42 billion. So, I think that would account for it. That is just my 2 cents worth of reasoning kung bakit po bumaba po yung index plus yun pong profit taking during Friday. Friday profit taking. So, 125.92 points. Okay, so let's now take a look at the market activity. All share index is down 1.48%. All sectoral indices are down except for properties, which gained 0.97%. Yung losses o yung pagbagsak ay pinangunahan po ng holding companies at 2.77%, followed by the industrials at 2.35%. So kung titingnan po natin ang mga industrials, say for example si Mer, ayan, laki ng bagsak, 325. Yan, industrials po yan eh. Ganon din si, tingnan natin si Tel. Yan, pero hindi, not as much as Mer. So it lost 2.67 and Mer is 7.14%. So laki. Now the most active stock actually is Ali, which lost 1.9%, followed by BPI, may gain po siya 3.08. SM is 0.38%, almost flat down, no? SMPH is 2.87 and BDO, laki ng baba. 3.82, nasa 141, maganda pong bumili. Then ASEN up 3.77%, pero tingnan po natin si BPI, si Ali, si SMPH at saka si RLC. So umpisa na po natin kay BPI. Si BPI po ay green engulfing po candlestick, hindi po ito breakout, pero meron po siyang volume. So now sa 170 na po si BPI and it's moving upwards. Yan po si BPI. So nasa 117, up 350 or 3.08%. Yesterday po ang closing po niya ay 113. So check na natin ang fundamentals. BPI, meron po siyang buy rating with a target price of 138 or 21.6% upside. So ngayon po siguro mga 20% na lang po ang upside ni BPI. Ngayon, ang pinaka support po niya, let's check. Yung pinaka support po ni BPI ay nakikita ko po dito near this area. Yan po, nasa 111, 110, 111 po. And then the resistance is, I think this is the highest already. Dito po, nung July 25, ay nagkaroon po siya ng high na 120. Yan po yung 52-week high po niya. So right now, let's check if we can do the resistance here. Okay. So it's nearing resistance na sa 126 somewhere. Yung pinaka-resistance po niya. 123 to 125 po ang pinaka-resistance, and that was hit noong February 2018 pa. Yan po, si BPI. So, yan po yung next resistance level. Next is Ali. Si Ali, umaakyat ha. Uy, nagkaroon siya ng profit taking today. Kanina po, green po yan eh. Pero kumikita po si Ali ha. Anyway, paakyat po siya. And on the short term, let's draw a parallel channel. In short term movement niya. Okay. So, ang pinaka-resistance po niya nasa 29 pesos, 29.20, samantalang ang pinaka-support nasa 27.10, more or less. And the fundamentals, Ali is property, Ayala Land, buy rating, target price is 35 or 21% upside more or less. Next, we have SMPH. Si SMPH, meron siyang bounce ha. Bigyan natin. Yan, meron siyang bounce today, green engulfing po siya. Although this is not a breakout, let's draw a Darvas box. Generally, ganyan po ang movement niya. Kung long-term indicator pa pag-uusapan natin, ay ano po siya, slightly moving downwards, no? But right now, kung Darvas box po ang titignan natin, more or less ganyan po ang support and resistance ni SMPH. Siguro let's draw instead a parallel channel, pero skew downwards po yung parallel channel. Something like that. Yan. More or less ganyan po. Kung parallel channel po ang pag-usapan, I think the parallel channel is more appropriate for SM because of the black line above the candlestick, and it's still a downward movement. So support is here. Yan. Nasa 34.16, 31.36 naman. Sorry. Support is at 31.30 while resistance is at 34.20. Yan po. So nasa halos resistance level na po siya. And then RLC naman, our final stock. So we haven't reviewed RLC. Look at that. So ito po, Darvas box po ito. Try natin ang Darvas box. Yan. So right now ay nagkaroon po siya ng break dito po, no? Kasi meron po siyang mukhang nag-break po siya, oh. Kasi for a while the resistance is at 15 pesos and support is at 32.80. Yan, no? From May 20 up to August 4. But this time na break po niya yung resistance and there is an above average volume. So this is a breakout and this is the highest since February 2023. So kung titingnan po natin ang earnings report ni RLC, ay wala akong RLC, pero meron po siyang meron po siyang news dito. Ay wala rin. Tingnan natin kung merong earnings report. I think maganda yung earnings report ni RLC, ha? Although hindi siya nag-appear dito. Let's check the news. Puro buyback to. Analyst briefing pa lang, but they're expecting, the analysts are expecting good earnings report for RLC, I suppose. Kaya meron siyang analyst briefing dito. Kailan kaya to? Check natin. The analyst briefing is on August 11, 2 to 3. Robinson's Land second quarter financial and operating results. Yan po ang kwento ni RLC. So lalabas pa lang po this August 11, but of course the disclosure will be ahead of the analyst briefing. Yan po ang ating report sa stock market, ika-4 ng Agosto. Ito po si Benji Chidoro. Nagpapaalala, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay hanggang sa muli. Stay safe. God bless. Bye for now.